This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Mazda 3. It has a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Features include alloy wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, 12-volt power outlets, halogen headlights, an anti-lock braking system, side curtain airbags, heater vents for rear-seated passengers, and this vehicle has fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 33 miles per gallon on the highway, it's easy to see how you can save. Not to mention that this Mazda qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Mazda of Clear Lake is located at 20101 Gulf Freeway in Webster. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.